bag is a handmade, prayer-friendly travel bag by Yaya Enterprise. It is ideal to be carried and used by Muslims and travelers for prayer purpose. This bag is a cost-saving bag that satisfies the needs and problems of Muslims and travelers, as it provides the very much needed accessibility and availability. Additionally, it is designed and measured to fit a mini-sized prayer mat with a convenient pocket to keep essentials such as handphone and a few ringgit within easy reach when went to mosque to pray. The material of the bag is cotton, as it is easy to wash and clean. The bag is patterned color and it could be used by both men and women. The size of the bag is 7 inch in wide and 6 inch in height. Its drop is 5 inch, while the mini prayer mat inside is 12 inch in wide and 21 inch in height. Last but not least, we can also make you a custom size, color and pattern bag according to your preference.
The first element for a prayer-friendly travel bag is key partner. For this key partner, we take supplier material from Nagoya and Easy Door Gift. Meanwhile, when the finished product will be sent to MOHD Wholesale Emporium, Siti Khadijah and SHAFIE. For the second element, it is the key activity. This product will be produced using human labor and will have marketing. Finally, distribution of end product to MOHD Wholesale Emporium and Siti Khadijah. For the third element, the key source needed to produce this product. The key resources needed are materials and equipment. Meanwhile, the fourth element is the value proposition for this product. There are several value propositions for this product, such as convenience to use when traveling, prayer mats inside bag with various use, and affordable prices by everyone.
Number 5. Cost structure. It defines all the costs and expenses that our company will sustain while operating the business, which are materials, salaries, equipment, marketing, rental, and utilities. Number 6. Channel. There are 2 channels involved for our business. First, transportation and postage, which is physical channels. Second, social media, which is virtual channels. Number 7, customer segments. Our business aim to reach and focus on 2 groups, which are Muslim individuals and also travelers. Number 8, customer relationships. It describes the type of relationship that our business establishes with specific customer segments, which is personal. Number 9, revenue streams. We generate a revenue stream through the big sales and marketing of our products.
As a conclusion, prayer-friendly travel bags is easy to carry by Muslim traveler for prayer purpose. The purpose of this bag are designed to solve Muslim problem who forget to bring their prayer mats. It's designed with a pocket to keep essentials such as handphone and makeup for easy reach. The prayer-friendly travel bags also can custom size, colors and pattern bag according to the customer request. That's all from us. Thank you.